Snowfall, baby. What's the day? Oh my gosh, it's snowing. Snowing today.
Can I go play?
You'd have to put on your sweater. Let's go. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be setting up my bathroom. I just purchased some bathroom supplies and we are going to clean up the bathroom and organize it. So as you can see, this was the brown color I had before. So let me just show you what I have on my bed, the different things that I purchased. I just got some accent pieces for my bathroom. I wanted to have more of black and I wanted to accent it because everything I have in my apartment is white and neutrals and ivory, so I got this black and ivory. As you can see, it does coordinate really good, and I decided to go for something that is more textured. Also the curtain, as you can see, the curtain has some ruffle with some ivory and a bit kind of tan color. To hook it, I also got the black hooks so that it coordinates really good. I have my liner. I like the fabric because again it is easy to wash. This one is from the Morgan Hotel collection. I actually only got about 6 pieces. This high one, I'm not sure if my toothbrush could fit inside of here. Inside here I already have some hairpins. Maybe I could put some cotton buds inside, and my soap tray. Could put one of my handmade soap in there, the toilet brush, so we could open that to see how this looks. And then we are gonna go into redecorating the bathroom. Very nice piece, and the piece to put my body lotion inside there. I think, if you know something, if I get another one, I would have to get one for like a hand wash so I could use it as a hand wash. Hopefully it's not the same way, but if I do, I'll definitely get something for hand wash. And this, I got this sign for my studio. If you don't already know, I have a studio where I have all my products and I do nails and a few things up there. You could also check out my other channel to see this studio. I just thought it was a really nice accent for my studio. So let's get to the washroom. This is basically my washroom right now. I could just show you everything is in a mess. I'm gonna reorganize that, clean the mirror and scrub inside of the bathroom, and then we're going to clean that up. So let me get to cleaning the bathroom, then we'll come back and set it up. We're going to clean this side. Let's get rid of all the olds, and we are going to put some new stuff. Towel on my left. So now I'm actually going to mop the floor using my Swiffer. So just put that on. I am hoping that this color coordination that I'm doing, it actually works. So we are going to put that up right now. So let me see if you could see what I am doing. Trying to get the curtain out of this. Like, it looks like it's stuck. So there it is. It's a gorgeous curtain. What do you think about the shower curtain? Let me know. You might not, the camera might not be picking up the kind of blush color, but it has those little frills on it. I just feel it looks really cute. It looks modern, yet it has this farmhouse feel to it. So I'm gonna do this. Now we are going to open this one. This one is fabric, but the good thing about it, it is like waterproof. So I'm going to pair this hole to hole. Hopefully I have the back the right way. So just like this, we're going to pair it up. This hole right here, and we're going to place a hook in it. Somehow I feel like this have more, like a bit extra. So we need to measure this up to see that it is accurate. I feel like it is longer. Somehow I feel something is longer, but we're gonna play with it and see what's going on. So let me put black hooks in. So I'm just going to place the hooks in right here. Oh, on the outside, in the hole here, and then here, and then we have the hooks looking like this. I'm gonna continue this. I think this looks good, but this fabric has an extra hole. Not sure why. So it has an extra hole even if I start on this side, and the one at the back is a bit longer. So what I did, I fold the inside. You can see I folded here and I just attached. You see how I did it? Just flip it over and I just attached it. It is so beautiful in person, I could tell you. I wish you guys could see. You could see the shading. It's a beautiful curtain. This is how I'm going to set up this area. I'm going to put the tallest jar here and these ones like so. Okay, so this one has more space. So what do you think? I need to place my beam right here and my right inner corner here. This entire look, I'm just going to put down my furry cabinet. That's basically it. Put a towel on the side here. And now for the finale, just my beautiful soap bar. It's a beautiful soap bar made by me. We're going to have it inside of the tray and we're going to place it in the bathroom. I think I'll put it at the bottom here. I think it looks good. I need to add one more thing to my bathroom. Accent candles. So these candles were handmade by me. I just want it at the top by the sink. So let's put it there. I'm just going to place my candle right here. And that's a completed look. Yes, I think we nailed it.